Hi there, I'm Brenda, and today we're going on a super cool adventure inside a volcano. But aren't volcanoes kind of scary? Wait a minute, what's this? A magical volcano spirit?
Come with me, Brenda. I'll show you there's nothing to fear.
Wow, we're inside the volcano. It's like a giant underground factory. Look at all these layers. This is the magma chamber, where hot melted rock is stored. Above that is the crust, like the volcano's roof. It's under a lot of pressure. And up here is the main vent, like a big chimney for the volcano.
That's right, Brenda. And what happens when the pressure builds up too much?
That's right, the volcano erupts. Now let's see how a volcano erupts with a fun experiment. We'll use baking soda as our magma and vinegar as the pressure from below. Three, two, one, eruption, woohoo, look at it go. That was amazing. Volcanoes aren't just powerful, they're super interesting too. Remember, real volcanoes are much bigger and hotter, so always listen to scientists and stay safe. I hope you had fun learning about volcanoes with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun educational videos for kids.